Good afternoon. My name is Mia Swart. I'm a professor of international law at the University of Johannesburg in South Africa. And today I'm going to speak about the relationship between the African Union and the International Criminal Court, or ICC. Now, the establishment of the International Criminal Court was the realization of the dreams of those who believed that in order to prevent ongoing impunity, the international community should work together to establish a permanent international criminal tribunal. It was a dream that was shared not only by European and other Western states, but also by African states. So it was shared precisely by African states,